This is a robotic arm I built, which was inspired by the IRB 1100 from the company ABB. This is the first video of how I built a robotic arm, and in this video I will show the main planning behind the robot and its assembly. The robot consists of a lot of parts. At each joint is a set of servo motors. At the bottom of the arm are bigger motors than at the top. To grab different objects, the robotic arm uses a vacuum pump and a suction cup, which are located near the end of the arm. With all these motors, the robotic arm has 5 different axes, which allows it to reach a wide variety of places around it. I designed all the parts with CAD and 3D printed them. Now I'm going to show how I built it in this short building montage. In the next video, I am going to show the software behind the robot and how the robotic arm moves.